Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited. I can hardly contain my happiness. In the last week, oh my God, my channel has grown. The video that I made where I'm doing that transformation of me from 65 to 30. Of course, I know I don't look 30. It's for entertainment only, but I came very close. But you guys have loved that video, and I actually feel like my prayers are coming true that I possibly may have a viral video very soon. I am so happy, but let me contain myself and concentrate on what I'm doing today. A young lady contacted me on Facebook. She sent me a picture of herself. Her birthday is in a few days, and she wanted to know if I would do a makeover on her, and I cannot wait to give her a transformation for her birthday. My crochet hair units are so popular, so that's what I'm going to make for this young lady, starting out with making the cap size smaller. In the very front, I will take this elastic band here and make it smaller, and that just allows me to work with her own hair in the front.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I.
Next, I'll add some crochet hair around that narrow band to simulate a hairline when the unit is installed.
When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
Next, I use tailor's chalk to mark the placements for the crochets. I find it very helpful to use this gauge and sewing pins to make sure that the crochets are spaced evenly and there's not too much hair on the unit.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love goes, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
This hair unit is ready for this beautiful young lady coming tomorrow. Well, hello there. It's good to see you. Come right in. Let's talk a little bit.
Beautiful wigs in here.
Well, thank you. You contacted me on Facebook and you said you wanted a makeover. And it's for a special occasion, which is
my 40th birthday.
her 40th birthday. So what we're going to do, we're going to do something special for you because you are such a pretty lady. I am going to braid Melanie's hair so that she can take her hair unit on and off, which will allow it to last longer and be more convenient for her as a busy mom.
There's no more time to hide because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain?
Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. Oh, what do you think, Melanie? Oh my goodness. And you can just take this on and off if you want to, when you want to. Oh boy. Doesn't she look absolutely beautiful, everybody? Oh my goodness. Melanie, what do you think about your makeover and your birthday present?
I love it.
Oh, you look absolutely beautiful. And everybody, I just did a little play on the hairline where some of her own hair is blending in with the unit. So when she takes it off, she's not obligated to have any front crochets. She can just wear it up if she wants to. I've done the back hairline so that if she wants to, she can wear it up in the back. Or however way that she wants to wear it. She is so creative. I know she'll find different ways to wear this hair unit. I am so pleased. Oh my goodness, thank you everybody for joining me for this very special occasion where this young lady has allowed me to do her makeover. It has been an extreme pleasure. And listen everybody, I'm still on top of the world about my channel just growing so much, and it's all because of you, and I thank you so much. Humbly, I thank you so much. So please don't stop now. Continue to subscribe, like, share, tell others, because I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers, and that makes me so happy. Thank you everybody for joining me and Melanie. Let's say bye, hon. See you next time. Take care.